Hi, my name's Ayub Shaikh, and I'm here to take you through this program designed to demystify the world of IT for those of you from a non-technical background, especially if you now find yourself in a role where you're involved in hiring technical people. You may be someone who's never previously needed to understand IT terminology, but you now find yourself in a talent acquisition role or at an RPO desk, or you're in an HR function within your organization, and now it has suddenly become critically important to understand a little bit about the way technology is working within your organization. Because now you're going to have to mix it with people who speak the language of IT. If you currently find yourself fighting off severe bouts of narcolepsy when you're in meetings with technical people because you simply don't understand what's being discussed, then this training is for you. Or if the jargon-filled technical job descriptions and CVs are now being shoved under your face and they may as well be written in hieroglyphics, then you're in the right place. Clarity and understanding are but a click away. This is a technical training course like no other. You see, I'm not here to turn you into a Java developer, a web administrator, a network engineer, or a cloud architect. But what I am here to do is to explain in clear, layperson's terms exactly what those people actually do, which technologies they might use, and which tools you might see on their resumes. I'll also explain the context around why your organization might suddenly have become so excited about certain technologies and why they're all of a sudden so keen to get you searching for those skill sets. Join me in a voyage of discovery as I gently guide you around the entire landscape of IT, a journey taking us from the simplest of concepts, simple but which you absolutely need to be aware of if you're going to make sense of all of this, through the acronyms and the jargon and the terminologies and the technologies that are critical to your organization today, and even onto the sexier evolving technology trends that will impact our lives as we move into the future, and by the way, which will undoubtedly impress the techies if you drop these into conversations casually. Let me introduce you to the roles within the IT department, the human element that keep the technology humming in your organization, from the software developers to the business analysts and the project managers, from the technical architects to the cloud experts and the people on help desk. In this training, I'll advise you on how to come across with confidence when discussing technologies with any of these people, which tools and qualifications you should look out for on CVs, and what you might need to be aware of in terms of personalities and soft skills when hiring these people. By the way, I'm also going to give you a number of practical exercises and templates to complete so that you can maybe start exploring internally around your own organization, asking questions of your own internal tech teams, and recording key elements that you should be aware of so that you can build up a visual model of how your organization's specific IT landscape is laid out. Now, from my experience, that in itself is an invaluable process that will not only help you visualize and understand how your own IT works, but of course it's also going to be invaluable in describing it clearly to potential IT candidates when they come on board, and even to new team members when they join. If you're not involved in the hiring side of things, we found that this training is still immensely useful as an IT demystification masterclass. Think of this as an executive briefing, teaching you how to discuss with confidence a broad range of technology concepts with pretty much anyone. During the last 20 years of training these courses around the world to over 50,000 agency recruitment consultants, I've seen people with zero experience in technology, even the odd technophobe, walk away with a newfound eagerness and passion to participate in technology conversations, and actually even a curiosity to find out more about the topic. And now it's my absolute pleasure to be able to bring the same type of training to this platform, but now geared towards you, those working internally within large organizations. So come along. I'm looking forward to being your guide into this world of IT. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Let's go.